The rain taps soft on the window pane, a whispering song to ease my pain. But the streets are cold, the lights are dim. I'm lost in the crowd, but not with them. I'm missing home, the fire's glow, the creaky stairs, the fields I know. I'm missing home, where time runs slow. Oh, take me back, where my heart can grow. Here tastes bitter and thin, no story shared, no warmth within. The stars are hidden, the sky feels fake. I long for the woods, the wide blue lake. I close my eyes, I hear the stream